This video tutorial will demonstrate how to do a Picot bind off. And as you see, we've already worked one on one edge of this little ear warmer, and we're going to do it on the other end to demonstrate how it's done. Now I'm working this in a separate color, so I'm going to attach my new yarn. And the first step is to bind off 3 stitches. Now I'm using a bind off that is new to me, but I'm really enjoying it. You can use just a standard bind off, and that's fine too. So we're going to bind off 3. That's 1. 2. 3. And now we're going to chain 3 knit stitches in this stitch that's on the right hand needle. So the first step is to just slip it back onto the left hand needle, and we're going to knit it. And repeat this 2 more times. Slip onto the left hand needle and knit. This is 2. Slip onto the left hand needle, knit it again, for a total of 3 chain stitches. Now I'm going to take my right hand needle and I'm going to find the loop, the stitch beneath, and I'm just going to put my needle into that loop from front to back. Then I'm going to knit this next stitch off the left hand needle. Then I'm going to pass this loop from the stitch beneath over, and then I'm going to pass the chain stitch over. And that is 1 picot worked. Let's do another one. So we're going to bind off 3. 1. 2. 3, and then we'll chain 3. Let's put this stitch onto the left hand needle and work 1, 2, 3. Then we find the stitch beneath, come in from front to back, knit the next stitch, pass the loop from the stitch beneath over, and then the chain stitch over. And that is 2 picots worked. Now if you wanted your picots to be larger or smaller, you just would chain either more or fewer stitches to make your picot bobble either bigger or smaller. And if you wanted longer stretches in between, you would just bind off more stitches in between. So that's the basic understanding of the Picot bind off, and I hope you enjoy it and give it a try on a project.